Today I'm going to show you 6 fun games that are Easter and springtime themed that your kids will love. And we're going to make some giant bunny feet and a Peep Catapult. I'll also be sharing how you can create your own Easter class party at home. So stay tuned. Hi, Sarah here from the Johnson Crew channel here on YouTube. The first game I want to show you is from the A Grande Life blog, and it's a minute to win it game. For this game, you'll need plastic eggs, spoons, and a bowl or bucket. Just like an old-fashioned egg race, you'll have your child place an egg on a spoon and see how many eggs they can carry across the yard or living room and drop in the bucket within 1 minute.
Go, 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 go! Theo? Did you win?
Yeah!
Woo!
The next 2 games are from the Get Your Holiday On blog, and you will need some giant bunny feet for your kids to wear. You can have them make these with you as a bonus craft activity, or you can make them yourself ahead of time. First, you'll need 2 sheets of white foam board. Next, cut a bunny foot shape out of the foam board. Our feet were approximately 20 inches by 15 inches each. Then you'll cut out 6 circle paw prints for the toe area and stick them on the white foam boards with tape or glue. Then grab some old flip-flops you have laying around, or you can buy a cheap pair from Walmart for 98 cents and hot glue them to the white foam board. Now your funny bunny feet are ready to hop. 2 players at a time will line up on the starting line with their bunny feet on. Each player will need to walk or hop to the finish line as quickly as possible. For older kids, make the finish line with a line of Easter eggs that they have to hop over. Whichever player hops over first without breaking an egg will win the game.
One, go. Wow! Look at that!
Here's the second game you'll use the giant bunny feet for. Throw several eggs out into the grass and leave enough room for the giant bunnies to come through. Set 1 minute on the clock and see which bunny is the fastest at picking up their eggs. Whichever player has the most eggs wins. This game is from OurFamilyWorld.com. All you need for this game are pillows. Have your kids line up next to each other, place a pillow between their legs, and try to hop to the finish line. This game comes from there'sjustonemommy.com. For this game, we get to do a little STEM activity first to prep the catapult. You'll need craft sticks, plastic spoons, and small rubber bands. First, you're going to stack 5 craft sticks on top of each other and secure both ends with a rubber band. This will be your crossbar. Next, stack 2 craft sticks on top of each other and secure one end with a rubber band. Carefully open up the 2 craft sticks and slide your stack of 5 in between them. Then lay a plastic spoon on top of the top craft stick and secure both ends of the spoon to the craft stick. Finally, crisscross 1 more rubber band around the area where the craft sticks intersect, holding it all in place. To launch your catapult, simply hold one side of the crossbar while using 1 finger to push the spoon down and then let go. Now it's time to set up the game. Line 3 to 4 buckets or bowls up. Use Post-it notes and a marker to label how many points each basket is worth. To play, have kids take turns catapulting peeps into the buckets. Whoever has the most points after however many rounds you want to play wins. I gave my kids 3 tries with the catapult before their turn was over.
Yeah! Yeah!
And the last game I have for you is probably the silliest and funniest game, Peeps On My Head. You'll need Peeps, shaving cream, and shower caps. First, you'll need to have one child put a shower cap on their head, top the shower cap with shaving cream.
Give me a thumbs up.
Have the second player stand about 3 to 5 feet away from the player wearing the cap. Allow each player 1 minute to toss as many peeps on the top of the player's head wearing the cap. Whoever gets the most peeps to stick to the cap within a minute wins.
Oh yeah.
That game was too much fun. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by Deanna over at Cultivate. She's an awesome mama and her channel is all about homeschooling, Christian motherhood, and more fun things, so go check her out. And after this, click on the playlist in the description box below to see all the other videos about what families are doing to celebrate the Easter season. Who loves a holiday party? Well, who says just because you're homeschooled or doing virtual school at home means you have to miss out? You can have a class party right at home. It can be with just your family, or you can invite another homeschooling or virtual school family over to do it together. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Dollar Tree makes ballin' on a budget totally doable. Love that place. You really only need a few things to make your house really festive. And the Dollar Tree has so much cute Easter stuff right now. You gotta go check it out. So I picked up a tablecloth, super cute, and plates to match, some yellow cups. They have these cute polka dot balloons right now. For streamers, you get 2 rolls in each bag. So I picked up blue and pastel pink, and then of course, tons of eggs. So all of that was only $6, and then everything else that I bought at Dollar Tree for the rest of the games was only $8 because I already had eggs on hand. So a total of $14 for a party is not so bad. I hope you have so much fun playing these games together. Let me know if you have any other favorite games in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and my channel is all about homeschooling and mom life and traveling as a family. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join us here every week. Until next time, happy Easter!